Alright, so special thanks to this company for sending us their solar powered Firefly lights. This is a colorful 2-pack, so let's open it up and show you what these look like. Nice little instruction set with some of your information. There's only one mode, on and off. They are RP65, so they can be used outdoors, and they have a 600 milliamp hour battery. So a little bit of information here you may need, but to be honest, pretty straightforward. So there's your 2 sets, and then you've got 2 sticks for the ground. And essentially, this just slides onto here, and then you got your solar panel, let it get sun. And for those wondering, the on-off switch is just right here on the back. You can either have it off or slide it over to on. I'll turn these both on, and we should be ready to go. And when you undo this twist tie, you can then move these however you want. So let me go put these in the ground and show you what they look like. All right, so I've put one here, there, over there, and right here, and we'll let these get sun the rest of the day and then see what they look like later tonight. So here they are at nighttime. You can kind of see the nice colors there. Look at those colors. They almost look fake, but I swear they are 100% real. Then you can also bend them out to make them a little more Firefly-y, so they can look like that as well. So that'll essentially do it for these Firefly solar LED lights. See, we got that one there, and this one over here, and then this one, of course. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.